I need a moment. This is this is the happy part. So here's a little bit. I have this BAES list, right? Consisting of like 71 people, and they're all actors, and I love them all of my heart. But of course, they're labeled because obviously some of them are better than others. And at the top of my list is Gavin Macintosh, and he just Snapchatted me. And I don't know. Just this is so much. Look at this. Look at him. Look at my daddy. I'm shaking. Daddy snapped me. Daddy snapped me back. Excuse the crack of my phone. I'm a dumb bitch and I drop it. Look at this. Somebody get me the bleach. I'm ready to end my life on a good note. This. Babe. Fuck me. I love you. Oh my god, he's such an inspiration. Oh my god. He snapped me back. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna cry. I promise this is the one. Oh my god, this